Welcome to Earth Detective. Peace be upon everyone. I am Fariha and today we are going to study minerals of Feldspar group. Feldspar group includes Potassium Feldspar and Plagioclase Feldspar. Orthoclase and Microcline are known as Potash Feldspar, where Albite, Oligoclase, Labradorite and Anorthite are known as Plagioclase Feldspar. Let's know how we can identify potash feldspar minerals in hand specimen. You can identify potash feldspar by its tabular form. Its color can be typically fleshy color or white, green or cream color. Its diaphanity is translucent. Here diaphanity means degree of transparency. Its streak is white. Streak is the color of mineral when it is powdered. Here the luster of potash feldspar is vitreous and hardness is 6. Fracture commonly uneven. The cleavage of potash feldspar is 2 directional at 90 degree angle. Cleavage means the tendency of mineral to break in definite direction, where fracture means non-directional breakage of minerals. There are some hand specimen sample of potash feldspar like Orthoclase, Microcline, etc. Let's study each potash feldspar in details. First, Orthoclase. You can identify Orthoclase by its tabular form, yellow-white color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture, twinning, 2 directional of cleavage. If you observe the orthoclase thin section under microscope, you will see Carlsbad twinning. Carlsbad twins often exhibit 2 elongate individuals separated by a single composition plane. Next, Microcline. Microcline in hand specimen sample can be diagnosed by its tabular form, fleshy color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture and 2 directional cleavage. If you observe Microcline under microscope, you can see its cross-edge twinning, which is a special property of Microcline. This is the cross-edge twinning. Next, let's study Plagioclase Feldspar. Plagioclase Feldspar is identified by its tabular form. Its color can be white, gray, rarely reddish, or it can show play of colors, etc. Its diaphanity translucent and it shows vitreous luster, 6 hardness, uneven fracture and 2 directional cleavage. Striation is the special property of Plagioclase Feldspar. Here we can see some hand specimen sample of Plagioclase Feldspar. So our first hand specimen sample of Plagioclase Feldspar is Albite, which you can diagnose by its tabular form of white color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture, twin striations and 2 directional cleavage. If you observe albite under microscope, you can see lamellar twinning or albite twinning, which is a special property of Plagioclase Feldspar. Twinning will help you to identify feldspar under microscope. We have a playlist named Optical Mineralogy. You can watch this playlist video to identify minerals under microscope. I will give that link of that playlist in comment section or description. Oligoclase Feldspar can be diagnosed by its tabular form, white color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture, twin striation and 2 directional cleavage. Here is the picture of Oligoclase mineral in hand specimen. Our next mineral hand specimen is Anorthite. You can identify it by its tabular form, dark gray color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture and 2 directional of cleavage. Next, Labradorite. Labradorite mineral can be diagnosed by its tabular form, fleshy color, 6 hardness, vitreous luster, uneven fracture, 2 installation, play of color, 2 directional of cleavage. Here you can see the special property of labradorite, which is play of colors. In our next class, we will discuss about mica group. If this video seems helpful to you, please like and subscribe Earth Detective, and also visit our YouTube channel where we upload lots of videos based on earth science. We also organized the videos in playlist based on topics. Feel free to explore and suggest us what you want to learn from us. You can also check description for links of our social media website for resources, a PowerPoint file and further discussion. Thanks for watching.